Hello everyone. Today I'll be explaining Composer.json. So any project that you install using Composer will have two files, Composer.json and Composer.log. These two will reside in the root directory, and this Composer.json file will have different properties with the values. So the name of the package, it specifies the name of the package, the short description of the package, the type of the package. Here it is project. So it can have different types like library, composer plugin, or different library types, license of the package. The homepage URL is specified with the keyword home. The support URLs like documentation URL, the support chat URLs are specified in the support keyword. And the repositories keyword specifies it is actually an array of repositories where currently it is having the composer repository and the URL to that composer repository can have different. All the repositories will be listed here. The required keyword here specifies the dependencies that the particular package will have, and that should be satisfied for this particular package to be installed. Now, the conflict keyword specifies that any package of type Drupal/Drupal will not be installed as it conflicts with this package. Now, and minimum stability specifies the minimum stability this package should have. So it's specified as stable, and any package which is lower than this minimum stability specified will not get installed, or any dependencies will not get installed. And here it specifies that the preferred stable is true. That means the minimum stability preferred here is stable. The conflict keyword specifies the configuration that the JSON or the project should consist of. It specifies that allow plugin is true, and these are the allow plugins that the package should have, and the sort package is a configuration which is default to false. If you specify this as true, then the dependency specified in Drupal in the required keyword will be in sorted format. If suppose if you see the extras keyword, they are having the Drupal scaffold, the installer paths, the core Drupal project message. It may also have patches. So there are different other keywords as well. So currently it is having only Drupal scaffold. So this Drupal scaffold specifies the location of the web root. It specifies that web root is in the web folder. Is the web folder. Any folder, any project related files will be inside the web folder. And installer path specifies that any Drupal core type of any package of type Drupal core will be installed inside the web/core. That is, if suppose you are installing something of type Drupal core, then it resides in Drupal in web core folder. And similarly, in case of libraries, if you are installing Drupal library, then it will reside inside web libraries and then the name of the library. Similarly, in case of contrib modules, in case of contrib themes, profiles, custom modules, custom theme, custom profiles and all. And the core project message, here it specifies that it should include the keyword like homepage, and anything in the homepage. What is in the homepage? Homepage is having this URL, and it is also including the support keyword. So anything inside the support keyword will also be as a part of the message, the core message. And when you create the project, this message is shown after the project is created. So this is the message to be shown after the project created. Those things are specified in the Drupal core project message.